Hey guys, so this is the ingredients that I'll be using to make my turkey, my Thanksgiving turkey, and happy Thanksgiving to everyone. You're needing your cilantro and your parsley first. Then we'd need to take out some cilantro out. Slice it more so that everything is how I want it to be. Flat plate. You will need your butter. And see why I say you should leave your butter for a period of time. A bit, not so much. And seasoning. Now it's time to mix everything in. Red pepper to it. The turkey I'll be using for today, courtesy of RCCG Amazing Grace. Yes, my church gave us this turkey. I was so excited because as you can see that the turkey is clean and washed. Now guys, it's time to add your butter marinade on your turkey. This was a really amazing part. Make sure that everywhere is coated with your butter. Try to turn it up and make sure that every single part has that butter. I literally had to put my hand into the skin so that I'm able to put all the marinades of my butter in it, which was really nice because at the long run guys, it will give you that yummy turkey that you like. I'm telling you guys, try this and you will love it. So I made sure that I coated it every single part. Some butters were really coming out and everything. I was still trying to place everything in, which was excited. So these are the spices, which consist of the curry, the Maggi, the pepper. Basically I added pepper to it again. So I had to just spread everything into my turkey and had to make sure that every part gets this spice, because this spice also elevates your cooking. So you have to put everything in. Make sure you massage your turkey with those spices and those marinades, which is very important. Now I'm going to be using my oranges and lemons. Yes, it will give you that citrusy, fresh and a very nice taste. Guys, this elevates your turkey in every way that you would want. So I had to put everything in every area. I had to put it at the sides, I had to put it at the center to stuff it in. So every part has this. Really guys, you have to put this. I used 2 lemons and 1 orange, which I diced into 4 parts. So you can use that, you can add more, but I just felt like this would be perfect for the turkey that I was going to do, which really made it nice and I loved it. So guys, now I'm going to be adding my other fresh spices, which are my sage, my rosemary, my thyme, my garlic, everything into this chicken. I'm going to stuff it into it because yes, we're making magic with this Thanksgiving turkey. So now I'm making sure that I'm stuffing every single of these spices into my cavity, which is the turkey cavity, the sides of the turkey. So every part has this spice and the natural herby taste and the concept that you are looking for, and the taste that when you eat it you know that yes, this is nice. So I have to put in all the rosemary, then I put the garlic. Yes guys, garlic is very important for this. So when I was done putting all this together, then I started to put my carrots. Yes, freshly sliced carrots. So I had to put my carrots in my turkey, like I said, in the center, in the sides. So every part has the carrots and has everything intact. Guys, just be putting this in. I'm telling you, at the end of this turkey, it will be so juicy, it will be so yummy. It will be like as if you are cut, literally you fried or air fried, basically. It was really nice. So I had to make sure that every part had the stuffing that I already put in. Make sure that everything has, I had to put it even inside into the skin of the turkey, so that everything is embedded in, so that when I put it in the oven, everything tastes nice and is ready to get to it. So once I was done, I decided to put in my onions. Yes, my purple cutish onions. Guys, if you know me, I love onions. Literally in all my spices, I always add onions, especially the purple one, because of the taste that it gives. So guys, this is it. You can see how it's stuffed. Like, I literally put it in the skin to tell you that this turkey must taste awesome. Then when I was done, I had to stuff in the legs into the skin of the turkey. If you don't have like a rope or like to tie it up, or necessarily if you can like cut a little bit slice of your down the bum part of the turkey, then you insert the legs into it. You just hold it, so you don't need to stress yourself like using the rope. This is another technique though, if you want to add that into the process, if you don't have any rope. So I'm going to add my marinade injectables. Yes, I'm going to be using the Tony Chantas injectable butter and jalapeno injectable marinade. So yes, this is how it came. It came with the syringe, which was way easier, and I didn't need to stress much. But at the point I did, to be honest, this is not for you. If this is your first time, because literally this was my first time, it wasn't easy putting stuff in the syringe into the turkey. It was a lot, but I was happy that it came out really well at the end. So I had to stuff everything into my turkey, with the leg, the chest, the other parts, so that everything, but I put it everywhere except the wings. Guys, I don't even think it's necessary putting it in the wings. So I had to insert everything everywhere. Guys, some parts of this syringe were just popping out like poop, literally. But anyways, everything was really nice. So I had to put the marinade on my turkey, so everything is the way I would want it to be. So guys, I would advise that you leave it for a day to marinate in together. So I decided to put it in my bag, then I put the marinade in the bag so that like it's coated with the marinade when I put the turkey inside the nylon. So once I was done, guys, like literally I'm that pepper girl. As a Yoruba girl, I represent pepper. We love pepper. Not all, but me specifically, I love pepper. So I just don't like eating something that doesn't give that buzz, that niceness. So when I was done, I had to bag it up, and this is it, leaving it for a day. Then after a day, this is how it looks after I've opened it, because I had to put it in the oven. And yeah, this is how my turkey looks. It looks so nice and yummy, how I like it. I like mine dry. I don't really like the moist, so I have to leave it for the oven. But that's it, guys. If you have any question, put in the comment below. Thanks for watching.